All right. Okay. So, how's everybody doing? By the way, fine. All right. Good. Okay. So, first things first. Let's go ahead and loading. Maybe taking its time and loading. Okay. So, we've been talking the past couple of days about William Wordsworth and Samuel Taylor Coleridge, and we've been talking about their different conceptions of these romantic ideals, like the sublime of beauty, imagination, and so forth. Today, I want to start us off actually talking about a piece of art. The reason for this is we've said that Romanticism, when it gets to England, it takes the form of a literary movement. But when we're talking about continental Europe and the form that Romanticism takes, what is Romanticism largely in continental Europe? Art. Visual art. And so I want to have us start off with an example of this. So this is Caspar David Friedrich. Here we go. Yes, pick that. Yes, there we go. All right, this is Caspar David Friedrich's piece, A Wanderer Above the Sea, above a Sea of Fog. And this is hands down one of the most famous pieces of the Romantic movement in Europe. For example, some of the most well-known anthologies about Romanticism actually have this piece as the cover for a reason. So what I want us to look at, there are 4 questions that I'm going to have us working on. And what I'm going to ask you guys to do, how many people do we have here? We got 4, 10, 11, 14, 17. All right, 17. So let's do 2 teams of 4 and 3 teams of 3. 4. You guys are calling a team of 4. All right, anybody else want to call a team of 4? All right, come on, you guys move. Find teams. Or, I guess, Catherine, pick a team. And if you will, go ahead, take out a sheet of paper and write everybody's name on it. And I've got 3 questions that I want you to work on, and I'm going to give you about 8 minutes to work on these to start with. So.
It actually does.
Okay,
right.
You know the
I can see that.
you know the guy
All right, and you guys, because you had me for Comp 1, you might recognize these questions. This is the same thinking routine that we did with your visual analysis essay, See, Think, Wonder. So I want you to look at this. What details do you see? What do you see in the image? What does it make you think, especially in regards to the romantic ideals that we've been discussing? And what does it make you wonder? I want you to start there. I'm going to have another question when most of these groups are finished with the first three. But look at the details. You may need to either come up here and take a look at this up close, or you may need to look it up on your computer.
And I'm gonna. Do you want to move on to